Hi guys, so now here in this session I'll explain the solution of the error. That is pretty common error guys. Whenever you post a transactions, when you post a journal entries, then this error is taking place. Which error? Look at here, correct the customizing setting for ledger for the universal general. Generally when you post these transactions, we have two transaction code that students are using, that is like F-02 and FB50. So no matter whichever transaction code you have used, look at here, this is what the error which has taken place. Whenever you have given all the details like debit GL, credit GL, amount, everything, you have given your company code. This is the company code, this belongs to one of my student, and he was facing the issue. So I thought like let me record this session so that everybody will know. So generally what happened, as a beginner and freshers, of course, it creates lots of difficulties to solve it, and even multiple videos are available, but that is also quite confusing. So it's pretty simple. I'll explain in a simple way. Look at here what you have to do. Now this error has taken place, right? Simply what you have to do, you need to click on the error message. This here. You need to click on the error message. Look at here. Now this error is appearing. And here we are having two options. See, I'll not explain the logic or root cause behind this error because it may be confusing if you're a beginner and fresher. So I'll just provide you the solutions itself. Okay. Simply you need to click here. The second options. Okay. Click here. And then look at here guys. Now here correct the customizing settings. So posting period variant is empty and this ledger ZC and ZD. Okay, so this error could be like posting period variant or else maybe fiscal year variant, whatever kind of things are there. You need to check here which ledgers are there, ZC and ZD. Okay, and for this company code ZIDD. Right now, what you have to do, just open a new screen and you guys have to use the transaction code, this transaction code FINSC underscore ledger. Okay, this transaction code you have to use. Press enter. Click on confirm. So sometime what happened, click on confirm. Look at here. Sometime what happened, like let's suppose these things will not be there. Okay. Simply one line error is there. So sometime what happened, like let's suppose if it is not updated against the leading ledger, then here simply once you use this transaction code and press enter twice and thrice, and then if you save it, then also it is going to be solved. But now here what is happening? We are having two different non-leading ledgers. These are two different non-leading ledgers, and in these non-leading ledgers, this company code is existing. Okay, somebody might have created this non-leading ledger, and instead of creating, they might have copied, and that like whatever the the company codes are there against leading ledger, all the company codes are copied. So now what we have to do? Simply, first of all, have a look here, ZC and ZD. So I'll just click on position and ZC. Just double select this ZC and double click on company code setting and press enter. So here, what is the company code guys? Whatever your company code is there, that you can enter and press enter button and select it. Since this non-leading ledger is not your non-leading ledger, whatever it is, non-leading extension, whatever ledgers are there, this is not your non-leading ledger, right? Or this is not your extension ledger. So what you need to do, delete the assignment. Just select it and remove your company code from here. Why to keep your company code here, right? Anyway, later on it is going to create multiple challenges once you proceed further, when you do the configurations related to in asset accounting, and further multiple other topics are there. So in that it is going to create some issues. So what you have to do, just select this and okay, I saved it, so that's fine. Now we are having the second one, that is ZD. So I think I was supposed to save once I remove from both non-leading ledger, then I was supposed to save, but that's fine. Just select this ZD and double click on company code, and from here also I need to remove my company code assignment. This is the company code guys. Press enter, select it and remove it. Okay, and save it. Now I'll tell you. So here I'm having two ledgers only, right? There might be a chances when you see there might be 4 ledgers or 5 ledgers or 3 ledgers, right? So number could be increase or decrease, or maybe single non-leading ledger itself, right? So what you have to do, whatever ledgers are there, if you have 4 non-leading ledgers, simply you remove the assignment. Don't think too much, don't go for the why it is happening, how it is happening, what is the impact, because once you proceed further, because right now I know like this is, you guys are just in document posting, isn't it? So at this point of time it's a bit difficult to understand the logic behind this. So that's the reason I simply said that I'll explain the solutions only, I'll not go in root cause. So here I have removed that, and after removing you have to save it. Okay, and whenever you save, this kind of message will appear, so you need to press enter, and generally it takes some time while saving. Okay, so now look at here, I think it is saved, data was saved. Okay, data is saved. Now come back, click on back button, just close it, and what I have to do, once again click on post, click on post, again press enter, press enter, and click on post again. Now look at here, the transaction was posted, right? So this is what the simple solution, guys, and I think 99% of the issues are going to be solved if you follow the steps which I have explained. Of course, maybe 1% some different root cause could be there, but 99% of the issues are going to be solved the way I have explained the things if you follow the steps.